we see about the parallel lines, the second chapter of class 9, parallel lines. In the previous chapters, we see some assumptions or postulates, lines, points, and one proof, that is vertical opposite angles are congruent. Now that are parallel lines. What is meant by the parallel lines? Parallel line means, that is the definition of parallel lines is the two coplanar lines. Two coplanar lines which do not intersect each other. The two coplanar lines which do not intersect each other is known as the parallel lines. For example, that is the duster. In that duster, the two edges, two opposite edges, which are the parallel to each other. The distance between these two does not decreases or increases, not varies. That's why that two edges are parallel, that two opposite edges are parallel to each other. With that parallel lines, in this chapter we studied about some properties of that parallel lines. Before that, we studied the if the any lines intersects the other two coplanar lines, then the angle form. यानी दो लाइंस को कोई भी एक लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करती है तो वो एंगल्स कौन कौन से एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं. दैट इज द एंगल फॉर्म. For example of the parallel lines means that is the two parallel lines. Is it right? That is the line L, that is the line M. These two parallel lines. Now we studied about the angles. Angles means the pair of angles. Pair of angles formed by intersecting lines to two coplanar lines. Line to coplanar lines. That intersecting lines is known as the transversal. For example, here is line L, another line is M. That is the line M. Is it right? That is the, here is the third line N. The line N intersect the line L and line M into 2 points. Therefore, line N is known as the transversal. That is known as the transversal of line L and M. When that transversal intersects the any two lines in these two distinct points, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 8 angles are formed. And then what is the relations between that 8 angles? Here, first is the, if for example, we give the name, that is the angle A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. That angles are formed. Now, what is the relations between these two, these all the 8 angles in that pairs? The first is corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are pair of corresponding angles. For example, here angle A, first pair is angle A and angle E is the first pair, angle A and angle E. Second pair, angle B and angle F. Third pair, angle C and angle G. And fourth pair is angle D and angle H. There are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles are formed. Second pair is the pair of alternate angle. pair of alternate angle. Pair of alternate angles, there are the two types of the pair of alternate angles. Alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angle. Which are the alternate interior? Interior means there are these two lines. ये दो लाइन के इनर पार्ट में जो एंगल्स आते हैं वो इंटीरियर एंगल्स. अल्टरनेट, देन दैट इज द इंटीरियर. व्हाट इज द अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर मींस द आइदर साइड्स ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल. ये इसके इस साइड में है तो ये दूसरा इसके अपोजिट साइड में ट्रांसवर्सल के. दैट इज द अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. मींस हियर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज द अल्टरनेट interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Here is the first pair is angle B and H. Angle B and angle H. Second pair is angle C and angle E. Angle C and angle E. That is the two pair. Second part here is the alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Which are the alternate exterior angle? Exterior means ये दो लाइन के अंदर में नहीं होना चाहिए, दो लाइन के बाहर में होना चाहिए और ट्रांसवर्सल के अपोजिट साइड में. Here जैसा एंगल D है, D ट्रांसवर्सल के लेफ्ट में है तो लाइन यल से रिलेटेड और लाइन एम से रिलेटेड फिर उसके रिलेटेड में एक्सटीरियर में एफ है. तो हियर फर्स्ट पेयर एंगल डी एंड एंगल एफ एंड सेकंड पेयर हियर इज एंगल ए एंड एंगल जी. These two angles are alternate exterior angle and alternate interior angle. Third pair is interior angle. Interior angle at one side or either side of transversal. ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, ट्रांसवर्सल के एक ही साइड में लेकिन दोनों के इंटीरियर में. ऐसा एक पेयर मतलब इंटीरियर एंगल्स. हियर फर्स्ट पेयर इज एंगल बी एंड एंगल ई and second pair is angle C and angle H. Angle C and angle H. These angles are formed, pair of angles are formed when transversal intersect the any two lines. Now, what is the relations between that angles? Other than that angle is there are the vertically opposite angles. That is AC, BD and EG and HF. That is the vertically opposite angles. AD is supplementary angles. BC are the supplementary angles. EH supplementary angles. GF supplementary angle. EF, there are the supplementary angles. Previous chapter we proved that the vertically opposite angles are equal in measure, are congruent, and supplementary angles, the angle in linear pair are the supplementary angles. They are the angle in linear pair. The angle in linear pair are supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means the sum of the measure of the two angles is 180 degrees, then that angles are called as the supplementary angles. What is about that properties? Some important properties that properties कौन सी है? पहली प्रॉपर्टी हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में पढ़ी है कि अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन मेजर आर कांग्रुएंट. दूसरी प्रॉपर्टी एंगल इन linear pairs are supplementary. Third property, if the one pair of the corresponding angle is congruent. Next property is one pair of the corresponding angle is congruent, then remaining all the pairs are congruent when transversal intersects the two lines. One pair of the corresponding angle is congruent, then remaining all the pairs are congruent. Next, about the alternate angle. One pair of the alternate angle is congruent, then remaining pair is automatically congruent. अगर दो पेयर्स में से कोई भी एक पेयर कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहती है तो बची हुई दूसरी पेयर भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगी, इक्वली मेजर रहेंगी. Third property is about the interior angle at one sides of the transversal is if one pair is the supplementary. One pair is the supplementary. Supplementary means the sum of the measure of these two angles is 180 degree. One pair is supplementary, then another pair is also the supplementary. If the transversal intersects the two parallel lines. Then there are some theorems how that is the congruent parallel lines है तो वो congruent कैसे रहेंगे या फिर supplementary कैसे रहेंगे. ये कुछ theorems है, कुछ theorems हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. First theorem is the interior angle theorem.